our 10-year anniversary. We got here last night. Didn't do too much, but I'll show you some clips. And now we're on our way to a surprise. I'll show y'all when we get there. Excuse me, my hair. But we are about to go on a boat tour to Icacos, and we're gonna learn how to snorkel. That's our boat right there. We're gonna learn how to snorkel and have a half-day trip. I think it's 8 till 1. If you are coming to Puerto Rico, I'm gonna put this company's information in the description box. Check them out, they're really cool and nice. And it's pretty affordable compared to the other ones, but I'll show you some footage when we actually get on the boat. I'm waiting on everybody to come down here now.
To go that direction over there. So in a blink of an eye, you end up in open water. In a couple of minutes, you could go towards mainland Puerto Rico again, okay? So what I'm trying to say with the current is that... So Will, over here, you're gonna breathe with the mouthpiece, okay? So very important. You see those gummies inside? You're gonna grab that with your teeth, but don't bite it, just grab. Now, so
We just got back from exploring the island. We didn't have a wet bag, so we couldn't bring our camera to record it, but it was very beautiful. I'll show you as far as you can see from right here, but it was a lot of fun. Excuse me. I really recommend taking this tour. Again, I'm going to have the information linked below. And yeah, see you at the next spot. But we just witnessed a hit and run leaving from our tour, but we also discovered a mango tree. Well, we didn't discover it, it wasn't hidden, but there's mango trees outside of the marina, and fruit is all over the place. This is the tree. You can see fruit over there. There's one mostly ripe up there. Pretty cool. And then the fruit that fell already, the birds were going to town on those. Hello. We got back from our excursion, went to the hotel, showered, went to sleep, slept till it was time to come for dinner, and that's where we are now. You can see it. STK Steakhouse. Say hello, darling.
Hello, darling.
And let's have a look at the fish, shall we? Pickle now. Ooh. Day 3 of us being here Friday, and we're about to go on the Bacardi tour. We were supposed to go on the rum tasting tour, but something happened in the system and our reservation was not received, but they were able to help us out since I did have my reservation confirmation email and all of that showing that I did do it. So we're taking the mixology class instead, and it's about to start. But this is what it looks like out here. And we got some food and some drinks before we start. We both got the tripleta empanadas, not enchiladas. William got the Cuba Libre, and I got the tropical sunrise. And yeah, see y'all on the tour.
This building is called the Bacardi for the mixo, so I'm gonna celebrate with you with a taste of rum, alright? So my friends, follow me, we're gonna go through the doors under the bat.
Of you. Alright, perfect. So my friends, now you're gonna be in the mixology with me. So in a way you're gonna be bartenders with me. So we're gonna start things as bartenders start things, right? Salud, mi gente, salud. Enjoy your OG Bacardi Mojito, alright? Know that you follow these steps, you can change the outcome. It's a mixing bowl, so no, it's not meant to be enjoyed this way, but you may do so. Now my group. And then we are going to take la tapita off, and we're going to serve our piña colada in the new ice, leaving the used ice behind. This is called a clean pour, mi gente. Right? And once you got the piña colada served, you're going to share with your primos and with your primas. I can try.
cigar in my hair, the wind just will not let it cooperate. But we made it to Old San Juan about 5 o'clock, and we just ate at El Patio del San. I'll insert some clips of what we did so far while we've been here. Now we're walking to Barachina to try out the original Pina Colada. We just made it to Barachina to get the Pina Colada. Hopefully it tastes like the one we made at Bacardi and not like the other ones that we've had so far.